New candidates need to start somewhere. The following steps should be your first steps when deciding, I'm running for office. Select a treasurer. The treasurer may not be the candidate, the treasurer may not be an appointed public employee, and the treasurer can be a family member. Select a chair. The treasurer may also be the chair, the candidate may be the chair. Organize with OCPF. Organize online with OCPF. Do this before raising or spending money. Organize with OCPF by clicking the link at the OCPF website. Get an EIN from the IRS. Most banks require an EIN to open a bank account. The EIN is available online via the IRS website. Appoint a bank by filing the D-103 form. Banks will file campaign finance reports on behalf of the candidate. OCPF maintains a list of participating banks. Type bank list into the search engine at the OCPF website for the list. The D-103 form is available at the OCPF website by typing D-103 into the search engine. After submitting the D-103 form with OCPF, you are fully registered and can begin to raise and spend money. Good luck on the campaign.